Selamat Petang, Johor Bahru, Malaysia. Today it's December 11th, Monday. It's now 20 minutes past 2 in the afternoon, and I've already arrived at Johor Bahru International Airport. As you can see, if you are traveling, by taxi or, your car or so, you will drop off there. And there are some places where you can take the trolley, although you're going to drop your bag later, which you're not going to use the trolley. Anyway, if you have watched my previous video, you would have noticed, did I say it? No. Okay, in case I haven't said in the previous video, I actually took the taxi from JB Central to here, the Senai International Airport, because it took me more than an hour to go through the Malaysian customs, and I've already missed the Causeway Link AA1 bus from JB Central to here, Senai Airport. And because the AA1 bus departs every hour, which means like 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 3 p.m., etc. If I already missed the 1 p.m. bus. If I took the 2 p.m. bus, I would definitely miss my coming flight to Penang. Although I haven't show you which flight I'm gonna take. Although as I head inside the terminal, I will show you. But if I took the 2 p.m. one, I'm definitely gonna miss it. So that's why I took the taxi. I had a really good chat with the driver. We talk about how Malaysia is like, how is it like compared to Hong Kong, where I'm from. Thankfully, the traffic, it's pretty good, faster than a bus, of course. And now I've safely arrived here at Johor Bahru Senai International Airport. So yeah, without further ado, let's head inside the terminal and to catch my flight from Johor Bahru here to Penang. Okay, as mentioned earlier, I am flying to Penang. That's why the flight I'm going to take, it's the fourth one from the top, AirAsia AK6418 from Johor Bahru here to Penang, and the departure time it's 3:25, which is exactly 1 hour from now. Why I'm gonna fly from why I'm gonna travel from Singapore road border to Johor Bahru here, then domestically to Penang? Well, because although it takes more time compared to Singapore flying directly to Penang, it's way cheaper, as in like half price at least for Singapore traveling road border to Johor Bahru, then domestically to Penang, then Singapore directly to Penang. So basically, going through road border here and then domestically to Penang, it's cheaper, although it takes longer time. And AirAsia is the only airline which flies directly and daily, as far as I'm concerned, between Johor Bahru and Penang. So without further ado, because I have a check-in baggage, I will need to go to backdrop. So because I'm flying AirAsia in Johor Bahru, Senai International Airport, they use the self-check-in kiosk. Looks like this. You can choose from English, Bahasa Malaysia, simplified Chinese, or others. I would like to print my back tag. Just need to enter your 6-character booking number and continue. So that's me. I'm flying AK6418 from Johor Bahru to Penang, departing at 3:25 p.m. Just make sure you don't have these items. And I only have one check-in baggage, so therefore one Obviously, I already have a digital boarding pass on my AirAsia app, but I also like a physical one, a tangible one for record. That's me already checked in online before. Continue. So I would now proceed to the backdrop counter to, after tag my back tag to backdrop, then go to the departure area, as in the departure gate for this AirAsia flight AK6418. It's a gate 4. Then from there I'm gonna fly from Johor Bahru to Penang. Finally, I have arrived in the airside outside Pintu 4 to prepare for my AirAsia flight AK6418 from here, Johor Bahru Senai International Airport to Penang International Airport. It is operated by an Airbus A320-200, and the registration number is 9MRAC. Not sure if you can see clearly, but yes, it's 9MRAC. As AirAsia, it's a low-cost airline. Regardless of, basically the whole aircraft is in economy class, and in economy class, AirAsia's Airbus A320-200, it's configured in 3-3. So 3 on the left, 3 on the right. So basically what happened after I tagged my check-in baggage, because I do have one, and also print my, although I already have a physical one, but I also like a tangible one. Although I already have a digital one, but I also like a physical tangible one. It's that you would go to actually backdrop. Supposedly my bag is overweight, which is like quite strict by a low-cost airline's weight limit. I could have paid for excess packaging. I do not want to pay, although I do have money, but it's not worth to pay on this aspect. So I try to move things around, and finally I successfully drop my bag, go through customs, and finally I am in the airside. Again, this is here at Johor Bahru Senai International Airport, Pintu 4, to prepare for my AirAsia Airbus A320-200 in economy class, AK6418. The registration number is 9MRAC from Johor Bahru here to Penang. So I have already boarded the aircraft. As we are hearing the announcement from Bahasa Malaysia and English in order, let me introduce my seat today, 16F, middle of the aircraft, obviously whole economy class cabin. Also right hand side of the aircraft, a window seat. The seat pitch or leg room is 29 inches, which is actually not that bad for me as a 5'10" inches tall person. Even though I put my bag under the seat, it's still a decent space for me to stretch a bit for this 1 hour and 10 minutes officially from Johor Bahru here flying to Penang. The seat width is 18 inches. Here if you want taking care of your safety and in cabin today. But you can only do so after takeoff and before landing. Here you have the seat pocket, which not only includes my personal passport and also boarding pass, but also safety card, and also the in-flight magazine, and also air sickness bag. As a low-cost airline, I'm surprised Wi-Fi is available, so you can follow the prompt later. I haven't tried that before. I will check that out later. Here is the tray table. You can't fold it in half, but you can move it back and forth like this. and there is no headrest. So that is pretty much of my seat. 16F on this AirAsia Airbus A320-200 economy class, AK6418, registration number 9MRAC, and we are about to fly from Johor Bahru to Penang.
As a reminder, please do keep an eye on your personal belongings and do inform our cabin crew if you notice anything unusual. Thanks to support a suitable by low-cost airline for the 14 years running. Sit back, relax, and enjoy your flight.
pre-purchase meal because low-cost airline, everything you have to pay. I pre-purchased already online. I'm not sure if you could purchase on the spot. If you could, I'm not sure if you could pay by cash as a Malaysian ringgit or debit card whatsoever, but I pre-purchased online, so all good for me. So for the food, I got myself the nasi lemak. For drinks, not only the complimentary bottle of water, I also get myself a cup of coffee, which comes with milk and also 2 packs of sugar. As you can see, it's quite a bit of a turbulence within Malaysia, as we are more than halfway through the Causeway Link AA1, but because it took me too long to go through the Malaysian immigration, I missed the 1 p.m. AA1 bus, and because the AA1 departs every hour, which means if I take the 2 p.m. AA1 bus to the airport, which the journey itself from the bus from JB Central to the airport took around 45 minutes, I will certainly miss this domestic flight. So I have no choice but to take the taxi. Of course, it's way more expensive, but you know, it's such an emergency situation that I have no choice but to take the taxi. And of course, taxi, it's quicker. Well, to be positive, during the I think 20-something minutes of drive from JB Central to the airport, I had a really good chat with the driver as well, because I have to catch the 325 AK6418, so that's why I could not take the 2 p.m. AA1. So once you head into the airport, if you're flying AirAsia, you will use the self check-in kiosk to print the bag tag if you have a check-in baggage, like I do. I have one. Then if you do want to print a physical boarding pass, although I have a digital one on my AirAsia app, you can also do so. Then you head to the backdrop area to, you know, send your bag through to Penang, because low-cost airline, economy class, before you depart, the only thing you can do is to do some plane spotting. Thankfully, there's still enough time for me to, you know, wander around the airside. And once on board, although the flight is kind of pretty full, but the seat pitch, you know, or you can say the leg space, it's still quite comfortable for me, although my neighboring seats 16D and 16E are also occupied, and I also put my bag under the seat. The meal service itself, yes, it's not complimentary. I think you could buy on board, or like what I did is to pre-purchase online. Yes, but it was served more than halfway through the flight, so it was a bit rushed for me to, you know, finish my eat and drink. Okay, talking about the food itself, the pak nasi lemak, it's really tasty, fragrant as well, not only from the pandan leaf, but also the spiciness from the sambal, but also the crunchiness from the peanut anchovies. It's a, you know, really a good meal. Considered AirAsia, it's a low-cost airline. The only thing is, things are the Wi-Fi claims to be available, and you can enjoy the internet. But I think the internet, as in you can only enjoy the AirAsia's internet, which is more like an intranet, not the actual internet, because intranet is INTRANET. And also, when I pre-ordered the meal with the drink, I supposedly ordered an iced Americano, but I was served nothing iced. But you know, I couldn't really complain too much, because it's already more than halfway through the flight, and it's almost about to landing. So I just, you know, kindly accepted it, finish it, and prepare for landing. And overall, you know, from Singapore to Penang, it takes longer, but it's cheaper compared to Singapore flying directly to Penang. But you know, domestically itself, Johor Bahru to Penang, AirAsia is the only airline which flies up directly and also daily. So that's a wrap of this AirAsia Airbus A320-200, registration number 9MRAC, AK6418 in economy class from Johor Bahru to Penang. Hopefully you guys will enjoy the video by not only give a like, but also comment down below and subscribe to my channel, as well as by Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat and Twitter, so you guys won't miss out my journey here as I regularly update in Penang, and I will see you guys in the next video. Terima kasih. Selamat petang, Penang.
Guests, we have just landed at Penang International Airport. For your safety, please remain seated. You may continue to use your mobile phones or tablets in flight mode according to your mobile network. Do be careful when opening compartment. Please ensure you have all your personal belongings with you before leaving the aircraft. It was a pleasure on board, and we look forward to serving you soon. On behalf of AirAsia, Captain Fadli, Senior Prince Officer Ramesh, and the rest of the crew members, we would like to say thank you for flying with us. Para tetap menikmati, kita telah mendarat di lapangan terbang sebelah Penang. With the jangka selatan ada di meter untuk terus duduk, anda boleh menggunakan telefon bimbit atau tablet yang ditetapkan pada mod penerbangan atau rantai selular. Berhada di ketika ruang pempanan di atas dan serigangkan pesawat, selepas pastikan barang-barang anda di bak bersama. Terima kasih kerana memilih penerbangan AirAsia dan selamat bermain. Dear guests, please be advised that the removal of land mass from this aircraft is a very serious offense, subject to a fine or imprisonment.